It is said that we learn from the mistakes, but then why we are afraid of doing the mistakes? See, this is a counter question. Everybody knows that we learn from the mistakes, but then again and again they're afraid of doing the mistakes. What is the reason behind that? The reason can be multiple for multiple people, but for me, it's like they're afraid of doing something that will make them unhappy. Maybe the fear of lost in the world. They might not be at good at something and they don't want to show that to the world. They're afraid of criticism. They're afraid of judging by the people. These are some of the reasons why people are afraid of doing the mistakes. Until and unless you're doing mistakes, there is no way you are doing something good or you are progressing in your life. So one person, I don't remember his name, but he said that if you are not doing mistakes, then you are not progressing in your life, that not you are proceeding in your life. You are still there where you were 4 years back, 1 year back, 10 years back. Because when you do a mistake, you learn from it. You see what are the things that can be done. You have to master yourself. But you can't master yourself if you don't know what are your limitations. How to cope with that limitations. How to improve those limitations. For that you have to do the mistakes. And from them you can learn, yes, these are the things I have to improve and these are the things I have to work upon. But somehow the mentality of the people is, I don't want to be a fool in front of the people. I don't want to do something bad. I don't want to be a bad impression in front of the people. Somehow they take it to their self-image, self-belief inside them that they are doing something wrong. But not. They are not doing something wrong. They are doing something wrong for them, for themselves. They are not improving from themselves. They are not forming them inner self. If you are not showing your emotions rightly, then they have the right to make disease. These all emotions, when you hold into your body, they will make you uncomfortable and make you a more diseasable person. So get up, show your emotions, do some mistakes in your life and show the world you are progressing in your life, you are doing something. So all of my friends, hope you learn something from this video, and from today onwards, don't be afraid of doing the mistakes. Mistakes are for life. They will create your life and they are the stepping stones into your success. So friends, if you like this video, please like and subscribe so that you will get a latest video of mine as soon as